Hello, my name is Tiger, and I'm a rising senior in Mills High School. I finished with my first milestone, which is Tabletop robot. This robot can navigate with infrared sensors or tactile sensors, which I will show you later. Infrared navigation is basically the infrared LED right here sends out the infrared light, bounces off a surface, and gets captured by the sensors. And the microcontroller here calculates the distance. So you can see all the components here on the breadboard: resistors, LEDs, sensors, the infrared LEDs, and here we have the shield, the Arduino, the batteries, the wheels, and the two servo motors. The reason why I'm using servo motors is because servo motors are capable of synchronizing, which means that their speeds are the same. DC motors, the problem with DC motors is that DC motors, one can be faster than the other one. So with servo motors, it's easier to go forward and backwards. Here, let's try it out. So you can see right here, if it senses a ledge on the right side, it will turn left, and same vice versa. And here we go. So you might be able to tell that I'm running the robot on a white surface because the infrared doesn't work well on a dark surface. It detects it as a ledge, and another problem with infrared is that it doesn't work well in direct sunlight because it interferes with the sensors. So one problem that I had while building this robot is that at first I tested the robot on a dark surface, so it was only going in circles or going backwards. I didn't know what was going on. And that's it. I'm going to show you the whisker mode in a second. With the whisker mode for this robot, these whiskers are basically tactile sensors, and as you can tell, the arrangement for the breadboard has changed quite a bit. We have two whiskers, like I said, and two pins here. So whenever these two pins hits an object, these pins make contact with the pinheads, and they create a closed circuit, sending a signal back to the microcontroller, telling the robot to act accordingly. So I will show you the robot right now. So whenever you hit the left sensor, it will turn right. Whenever it hits the right sensor, it will turn left, just like that. So the issues I came up with when I was trying to build this robot was when one day I tried to build the robot, it just suddenly did not want to work. That's because this robot has to have full or nearly full batteries at all time for it to function. My old battery were still 70% full, so that was one of the problems I had. My next step with this project is to wirelessly control the robot with the PS2 controller, and next I plan to put a mount arm on top of the robot so I can pick stuff up. Thank you.